In this lesson, we're going to talk about substitution. So the key words I'd like to go over are expression, term, and variable. Now, an expression is 4x minus 1. And part of this expression, we have two different parts or two different terms. So 4x is a term, and also we have minus 1 is a term. So an expression is like a phrase in English. It's an algebraic phrase. A term is like a word in a sentence. And then finally, a variable is something we studied yesterday. A variable is something we don't know the value of. Pause the video and have a think about what the variable is for this example. Excellent. Hopefully you realise the variable is x, because this can change. We don't know what x is. It's a bit like the sweet jar. X could be really big, it could be really small. So just to clarify, an expression is like a mathematical phrase, a term is like a mathematical word, and a variable is a letter. And it's a letter that we normally do not know. Now today we're going to talk about different letters, and we're going to replace the letters with a number. So for example, we have the question, substitute. Now have a think about what substitute might mean. Substitute links to substituting players in football, replacing letters with numbers rather than players with other players. So it says find what n plus o is. Well, n is 5 and o is 6, so we just replace n with 5 and we replace o with 6. And we get 5 plus 6, which is going to be 11. That is our answer. Let's have a look at this question. It says 4r. Now 4r means 4 lots of r. So we're going to have 4 times r. 4 lots of r is 60. This one is t minus o minus m. That's going to be 11 minus 6 minus 4. Which we will get 1. So our answer is going to be 1. The final activity of this video is going to be substituting A, B, C, D, E and F. And if you're finished, you can have a go at G, H and I. And then the last task will be Maths Watch. Good luck and off you go. Welcome back. Hopefully you got the answers as follows in blue: 16, 50, 13, 7, 62, 51, 24 and 6. That is all we're going to be covering for today. Good luck with Maths Watch and email me if you're struggling.